Hello and welcome to the MacFarlane & Company Chartered Accountant 2011 Personal Tax Process video. As of March 6th, 2012, we will begin to process the 2011 personal tax returns. This video contains instructions on how to put together your tax information and get it to us. A second video will follow with instructions on getting the returns filed and obtaining copies of the return for your files. This year, it will be possible to have your personal tax returns prepared and filed without ever coming into the office. If you prefer, you may drop off and pick up your tax documents in the office as in previous years. These instructions will help you prepare in both cases. As you prepare your tax information, there are a couple of documents that you will need from us. In order to get these documents, please proceed to our website at www.t2canada.ca. Once you're there, click on the Share File Login link on the left-hand side. Insert your email, which is most likely the email that this message was sent to, and your password. If you've forgotten your password, please click on the Forgot Password link and the system will reset it and send you an email. If at any time you have problems logging in, please contact Christina by email at christina@jsmcfarlane.ca and she'll be happy to help you out. Once you've logged into ShareFile, you will have access to the Personal Tax Clients folder. Click on that and you will see your own personal subfolder, in this case for our test client John Doe. Click on that and you will see three files that have been uploaded to your folder. These are a PDF copy of our engagement letter, a PDF copy of our personal tax checklist, and an Excel copy of the checklist. If these documents do not appear in your folder, please contact Christina by email. To download the documents, click in the box to the left of the name, and then click the Download button in the upper left. For your convenience, you may wish to save the downloaded files to your desktop. We recommend that you download the files one at a time. Now, the downloaded documents should appear on your desktop. The engagement letter is our standard letter that sets out the terms and conditions for preparing and filing your tax return. We need to have this letter signed and sent back to us before we can begin to prepare your return. Open the PDF file that you've downloaded and print it out. Please sign the letter. You can then either bring it in with your documents or send it back to us through ShareFile. If you're going to send it back through ShareFile, please scan the signed document and save it as a PDF document with a file name like Doe, John, signed engagement letter. Our checklist serves three purposes. First, it will assist you in putting together your tax information by asking you if you have various income inclusions or are eligible for various deductions. Second, it assists the tax preparers and reviewers as they check off various information as it's put into your file. Lastly, it helps us track where in our process your file is so that it gets prepared and filed accurately and on time. The checklist is very important as we can only prepare your return based on the information that we know. If you have Excel on your computer, we recommend that you download and complete the Excel version of the checklist. If not, please download the PDF version and complete it by hand. You should return the completed checklist to us either through ShareFile or with the rest of your documents. If you're returning the checklist through ShareFile, please save the completed Excel or PDF documents with a name like Doe, John Checklist. We need to have one checklist completed for each individual for whom we will be preparing a return. If you have the ability to scan your tax documents, such as T4s, T5s, and RRSP receipts, we highly recommend that you do that and send us your documents as a PDF file through ShareFile. If you cannot, we will scan your documents when you bring them in and give you back the paper copies. We cannot show you exactly how to scan your documents, since all scanning software is a little bit different. But here's a demonstration of how it's done using our scanning software, Paperport. I have scanned a picture of my family, which we'll now save as a PDF file, calling it Doe, John Slips, and we'll save it to the desktop. Saving as Doe, John Slips. And save it to the desktop. The Slips PDF now appears on your desktop. Hopefully you will be sending us 3 files back through ShareFile: a signed engagement letter, a completed checklist, or at least one for each individual that we're going to be doing a return for, and a file containing your tax slips, again, one for each person. To upload these files back into ShareFile, log back into your ShareFile account. We're still there. And then click on the Upload Files button. Then just drag and drop the file into ShareFile. Be sure to click on the Upload Files button at the bottom to complete the process. The slips file that we've uploaded now appears in your personal subfolder. ShareFile will now send us an email to notify us that you've uploaded your documents. We will proceed to prepare your return. If we have any questions, we'll call or email you. If you don't hear from us in a week, please send me an email at jeff.mcfarlane@jsmcfarlane.ca. Lastly, please remember that you can always bring in your documents the old-fashioned way if you'd prefer. We look forward to working with you to prepare and file your 2011 personal tax returns. If at any time you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. And that's all there is to it. Thanks.